Fergus and Xero work together to streamline both your job management and financial processes. They serve different but complementary purposes. So what's the difference? Fergus is a job management software built for tradespeople. It helps you quote, track jobs, schedule work, log timesheets, and invoice customers all in one place. With Fergus, you get full visibility over job costs, job progress, and profitability. On the other hand, Xero is a cloud-based accounting software that looks after the financial side of your business. It does more than just managing invoice payments. It also takes care of bank reconciliation, payroll, tax, and financial reporting. Plus, Xero tracks overheads and business expenses, helping you stay on top of your cash flow. Fergus manages your jobs from start to finish, while Xero takes over once the invoice is approved, handling payments, accounts, and financials, giving you a complete stress-free workflow. When used together, Fergus manages job workflows and sends invoices, customer and supplier, to Xero. Xero handles invoice payments and syncs this information back to Fergus. Financial data from Xero syncs to Fergus, allowing you to generate accurate business reports, and existing customers sync from Xero to Fergus, and new customers in Fergus sync to Xero. With Fergus and Xero together, you'll cut out manual data entry, improve accuracy, and keep your business paperless. Before you use the integration, you'll need to complete the setup. Check out our guide on how to do this, and if you aren't sure what settings to select, we recommend speaking to your accountant as they'll be able to help. Once the setup is complete, you can import customers from Xero into Fergus. This is usually done once during setup. Then any new customers created in Fergus automatically sync to Xero when they receive their first invoice. In Fergus, you'll be quoting and adding costs to jobs as you go. When you're ready, you can generate an invoice in seconds, either from the quote or based on the costs added to the job. Your invoice will show icons for labour sales and material sales, making it easy to see what's what. Once you approve the invoice, it automatically syncs to Xero, using the account codes you selected during setup. To find these invoices in Xero, go to Business and Invoices, and you'll see the Fergus invoices automatically synced. Now, let's talk about adding payments to invoices in Xero. If you've set up Xero bank feeds, bank transactions will appear in Xero, making reconciliation easy. Go to Accounting, then Bank Accounts, and click Reconcile X items. Your bank transactions will be on the left and your Xero invoices will be on the right. If Xero finds a matching payment, it'll show up in green. Just check the details and click OK. If there's no match, you can add a manual payment. Go to Business, Invoices, open the invoice, and click Add Payment in the top right. Enter the details and you're done. Now let's talk about supplier invoices. In Fergus, you'll be asked if you want to send the supplier invoice or credit to Xero when you decide to assign it to a job. Once sent, head to Xero and click Business, Bills to Pay to find outstanding supplier invoices. To reconcile these with your bank transactions, go to Accounting, Bank Accounts, and repeat the same reconciliation process as with customer invoices. If the payment matches, click OK. If you need to add the payment manually, go to Bills to Pay, select the invoice, scroll down, and add the payment. Finally, one of the benefits of connecting Xero to Fergus is accurate reporting. Xero syncs financial data like overheads, for example, into Fergus, allowing you to generate more accurate business reports. To find these reports, go to Reports in Fergus in the top right corner. The top 3 business reports are only available if Fergus is connected to Xero. Check out our guide on business reports for more details on what each one covers. And that's it! With Fergus and Xero working together, you'll save time on manual data entry, keep everything in one place, and ensure every invoice and expense is accounted for.